What was that? Sorry, how far?
6.6s. So we're going to 6.64, a 6.65, a 6.68, and something else. But yeah.
So how many kilowatts is running?
Well, we've got about 2,000 horsepower, which is about 1,350 kilowatts. That is pretty much.
Go the 2JZ, eh?
Yeah. Nah, I love them, man. They're good.
That's great. So whereabouts is based in Australia?
In Brisbane.
Brisbane.
Well,
South side?
Well, he lives in Toowoomba, but the rest of us he lives in Brisbane, but the rest of us live in Toowoomba.
Yeah. So is this just a project or source of income?
Yeah, well, I don't know, what do you call us? Amateur professionals, kind of thing. We're stuck in between.
Yeah.
Silly.
Fair enough.
Silly.
Who's the driver?
Grey hair, that might
Your ass.
Talk it up, son.
Working on it. Here, Block, come here and hang on to this.